Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak on a stainless steel pan. First, ensure your pan is properly preheated over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is crucial for a great sear. Next, pat your steak completely dry with paper towels and season it generously on all sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, to the hot pan. Once your pan is smoking slightly, carefully place the seasoned steak into it. You should hear a satisfying sizzle right away. Sear the steak for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, allowing a beautiful, deep brown crust to develop. This initial high heat is key for flavor. After searing, reduce the heat to medium and add a generous knob of butter, a few cloves of smashed garlic, and some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan slightly and use a spoon to continuously baste the steak with the melted butter, garlic, and herb mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. Continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches your preferred doneness, using a meat thermometer for accuracy. Once cooked, transfer the steak to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful result. For the best results, always choose a thick-cut steak, ideally at least 1.5 inches. This allows for a great sear without overcooking the interior. Also, remember to bring your steak to room temperature for about 30 minutes before you start cooking. This promotes even cooking. Finally, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked stainless steel pan steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.